Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a clean with me. This is my night routine. This is what I do. I will start cleaning my house before anything else. You will also see here in a second my cameraman, my child, decided to play around with the camera, so that is why it's moving exactly the way it's moving. I apologize if it aggravates y'all. I'm new to this, definitely, but I will get the hang of it, and I hope y'all enjoy. Also, if y'all have not noticed in the video, there's my little shadow behind me. That is my buddy Frank. He is in every part of this video that I have definitely noticed. The whole time doing this video, I was not really paying attention, but editing it, sitting right here, I have noticed that it's my shadow. These Clorox wipes, I most definitely love using these. They work really good, they smell good, and they just make everything better. Talk about how I am just hair's not done, makeup's not done, definitely not dressed for this. It took a lot for me to be brave enough to do this video, but I can assure you that this is real. This is what I do. I do not try to put makeup on to clean my house. If I do, it's just a day that I'm feeling down or upset and I want to make myself feel better, so I will get ready and try to look good, but it is just to sit around the house.
What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I will what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
I also love these floor pads. They smell really good. They make the floor feel really good. And apparently Frank loves these as well because he loves to walk on my freshly cleaned floors. And at that moment I kind of looked up and realized that the camera was not turned where I wanted it to be, but that's okay. First time doing this, so gonna get better at it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Y'all, I cannot even express how many times I have actually dropped this thing or turned it over, like right now, turning it over, and then the water just goes everywhere because these things are so slippery and they just slide everywhere. And I was so happy that it did not happen to me on this video, but then my dog just tried to trip me up, so there you go. There that goes. But this video is almost over. So if you liked it, please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please click and subscribe to my channel so I can put more videos like this out there and just try to do as many more as I can.